Today I'm fixing zipper on jeans and I'm gonna do a little investigation what is wrong. Hopefully I will not have to replace the zipper, but seems to me that the puller isn't zipping. So first I'll check the sides of the zipper, if there are any missing teeth or maybe twisted teeth, any damage that could potentially be the problem. I don't see any damage to the fabric, but I do see a bulging on the bottom of the zipper. So I'm gonna try to fix that and align both sides of the zipper nicely, pull the puller all the way down, all the way to the stopper, and then I'm gonna try to zip the zipper again and see if it's actually doing its work or if it's loose. So yeah, looks like the slider is widened and loose and it's not gripping the teeth. I'm gonna bring the slider back down, wiggle the slider gently until both sides of the zipper are aligned evenly. I'm gonna use a pair of pliers to gently squeeze both sides of the slider. I apply light pressure to avoid breaking it. It's better to do it a few times than to break the slider. I'm gonna test the zipper after each squeeze to see if it's starting gripping the teeth again. Okay, testing. Let's see, hopefully this will be working really well. Oh no, that did not work. So back to step one. I'm gonna grab the pliers and reapply the pressure again, very gently, each side of the slider, one at a time. Be careful not to damage the fabric, the zipper fabric or the jean fabric. And let's see how is that gonna work. Amazing, that's awesome. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna double check or triple check even. I will continue zipping up and down just to make sure the puller is doing its work, and as you can see, I stretch the zippers apart just to make sure it will not become open again. Yeah, looks like it works great, exactly what I'm looking for. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.